everyone, I am Tanuja Suthar and today I want to share my experience at Vibrant School. I studied here and secured 95.33% in 10th board. The academic structure at Vibrant is really strong. We had regular classes, our syllabus has completed on time. After the syllabus has completed, a regular test series has started from November, which really help us to revise syllabus thoroughly and improve our weak areas. The faculty is good and well experienced and always ready to guide us. Our school also invite motivational speakers that really help us in keeping inspired and focused always or anytime. One thing I really appreciate is the emphasis on girls' safety. Our school environment is safe, comfortable and student friendly. Our school also gives importance to the extracurriculum activity. And another great feature is that Olympiad preparation. Olympiad preparation is done along with the regular classes, so we don't have to worry about managing both separately. So basically, Vibrant provides the perfect balance for academic growth, personal growth, and extracurriculum activity as well as competitive exam. If I talk about my daily routine, then along with school, I used to do 4 to 5 hour self-study, mainly focused on revision, practice. It's all about me and Vibrant School. Thank you.